happy, ecstatic, difficult, arduous, confused, baffled, beautiful, stunning, dangerous, perilous, bright, radiant, rich, affluent, brave, courageous. Do you know what is the advanced English of small? Let me know in the comment. I don't know. To be honest. By the way. Let me know. Be right back. In real life. Just kidding. Laughing out loud. For your information. I don't care. Also known as shaking my head. Don't say very hungry. Say starving.
I'm starving.
She's starving.
I'm starving, I'm so starving, I'm so starving.
Don't say very thirsty. Say parched.
I'm so parched.
Don't say very happy. Say ecstatic.
Brad's ecstatic.
Yeah, I'm ecstatic.
Don't say very rainy. Say pouring.
It's pouring rain.
When it rains, it pours.
Don't say very shy. Say timid.
She's timid. I'm a great advocate for timidity.
Timid librarian.
Plus, minus, multiply, divide, equality, inequality, less than, greater than, square root, percentage.